Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report pre-market Pulsescan. Today is Monday, January the 29th, 2018. The time is 10 minutes to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looking at the overnight markets, the Dow Futures is down 30 points at 26,574. The E-mini NASDAQ 100 is down 17 and 3/4 at 7,012 and a half. E-mini S&P 500 down 6.5 at 2868. Russell futures down 4.9 points at 1604.70. Nat gas is down about 7 cents at $3.10. Gold is down $7.10 at 1350.10. Silver down 12 cents at $17.32. And crude oil is down 27.5 cents at 65.87.5. Bonds down 26 30-seconds at 147.30, picking up more steam to the downside. Beans are up $10.75 at 9.96 1/4. And the euro is down 21 pips at 124.39. Pound sterling down 83 pips at 141.01. And the Aussie is down 22 pips at 80.97. And the US dollar is up 17 pips at 89.24. What do we have for this week? All right, let's jump right into it. First of all, it should be noted that the stock indexes remain strong, and for the most part, they're still in a stage 3 uptrend, stage 3 bull market, which is very powerful. It should also be noted that I have no sell signals whatsoever. It does not mean that markets cannot turn on a dime. We're just speaking on the weekly charts and what it looks like. Now let's get into some crash alerts. We got crash alerts this week. Again, speaking of the weekly charts, we'll be looking for a crash alert to manifest in Apple, AutoZone, Chipotle, and First Majestic Silver, IBM, the iShares Transportation Average, the IYT, NASDAQ, ticker NDAQ, the Nikkei, Palladium, Platinum, and Starbucks, along with the negative momentum alerts for the Japanese yen. All right, so those are the notable crash alerts. As far as notable rally alerts, all right, possible momentum shifts in the following. These are bullish breakouts, if you will, momentum shifts. And that is in Chipotle, even though it has a crash alert as well. So I expect it to probably pull back and then rally into Friday, possibly. We'll see, or vice versa. Let's see. The Nat Gas has that bullish momentum alert, along with silver, both spot and futures, and also the silver miners, ticker SIL, and also for the Euro currency ETF, ticker FXY. And as far as rally alerts, let's see, notable rally alerts in XIV, all right, which should tell you that any pullback in the stock market will be bought. Also in the Bitcoin futures, we have a rally alert. Also in BTCS, GBTC, Riot, the bond ETF TLT, Let's see here. The IYR, which is the real estate ETF, Facebook, and Aaron Energy. And that ticker is ERN as in Nancy. As far as oversold, we have Cone, TVIX, and UVXY. We know those last two are not doing anything. They're designed to go to zero, and they probably will before being reversed. You know what I'm talking about. Reverse splits. Seems like they reverse split like every other month. All right, so that's all I got. But on the Bitcoin, just so you know, Bitcoin right now is showing that it's in a stage 3 as far as the long term, looking at the weekly chart, not looking at the charts that I show you in these videos. We're speaking purely now of the algorithms. Take into account everything. So right now it's showing stage 3, and it's showing that it's basically lost momentum overall. And we know short term it's in a bear market. Let's see what else we got. But longer term it's in a bull market. It's lost momentum, so it's pulling back. And like I said, you have a crash alert on that. That's about it on the notables. Silver, though, is in, silver, I'm talking about the silver futures. Silver futures is in a stage 1 uptrend, okay? So that should be noted. It's a stage 1. And crude oil futures is in a stage 2 uptrend, along with natural gas and the euro currency. They're all in stage 2 uptrends. The dollar, US dollar futures, index futures, is in a stage 2 downtrend. All right, so that's all I got as far as notables for this week. That's what we're going to be looking for. So more of the same. Expect Bitcoin to move up this week with the rally alert. We'll see if it manifests, and it looks like pretty much everything is going to move up. So I see euro currency, the E-mini S&P 500, gold futures is in stage 3. Even though it's showing it's locked in, it's locked and loaded. So once again, stage 3. So I expect gold to continue to rally, natural gas, the E-mini NASDAQ 100, crude oil, the Russell, and silver also is in a stage 1, but I still expect it to continue unless otherwise. Of course, the Dow futures. So all of these are looking to their continuation from last week. Now, as far as your 10-year notes on the futures, all right, ticker is TY. That one's in a stage 3 downtrend, so that should be noted. That's a big deal. All right, that is a big deal. It's a very big deal. So bonds are officially bear market territory, folks. So it'll be wise to note that. All right, your bonds are headed down. All right, so with that said, remember pulsewavetrading.com. That's pulsewavetrading.com. Come learn how to trade these markets, how to navigate these algorithms, and take advantage of the free study course. The study course is free with your purchase of the weekly Pulse Wave price triggers. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.